Hello again, my students, and today we're going to learn how to group objects by layers. We haven't elaborated that a little bit too much from the previous section, so I'm going to give it some time today. And right now, the reason why we need to do this so that there won't be any confusions with groupings and objects that we're creating, so that we can create order and less confusion among everything. Now, as you can see here, there is a little bit of a black border here. In order to remove that, all you have to do is press X between the strokes. Now we're just going to make some modifications of the lines, the numbers, the colors, just to make some variations. Now, once we made that, I'm just going to make an abstract button or remote or some sort of calculator for now. First, we're just going to make some groupings for now. Now we're going to move this to the left. This 2 here, we'll just group it by 2 as well. As you can see, once you group it, we'll be able to move it from one place to the other. As I mentioned from the previous lectures many times now, all you have to do is to go to layers, move to by, and then you'll be able to move these two by layers. Now, if you want to create layers, all you have to go create more layers. All you have to do is to go to layers and then add more layers. Now, same process, move to layer, and then we're just going to move it on the layer that we just created a while ago. And then if you want to view it, all you have to do is go to layer and then press layers. Now, as you can see here, if you put the layer on the top, which is layer 1, you will be able to see it visible. If you put it on the bottom, it will end up on the bottom, which is layer 2. Layer 2 will be on top of layer 1. Now, a little bit confusing, but no worries. I'm just going to try to slow down a little bit so that we will be able to comprehend. Okay. Now, we're just going to add another layer, which is we're just going to turn this into something of a big rectangle. Now, see that? Now it's covering everything. So, in order for us to see the tree into something more visible, all we have to do is to move this layer tree at the bottom. Now we're just going to move it at the bottom. This one is, if you move it in some of those buttons there, you can move it gradually. Now, as you can see, the layer tree is at the bottom now, so it's all good. Okay. Now we managed to create the organization of the layers. Now we just made the abstract button. So once again, I'll see you in the next lecture, and happy designing, my students.